Yo, what's the deal, JLM gang, man? We back with another motherfucking banger. As y'all can see by the title, y'all already know it's about to go down, man. We at Walmart, because, that's where everybody go to go fuck with people. So, we about to go fuck with people, man. Hopefully, I don't get the police called on me today, but I'm doing this for y'all. So, make sure I like, comment, motherfucking subscribe, man. I'll see y'all in there. Oh, I know y'all seen all that water. He's lying, bro. My bad. Get you, my man? A little bit. Oh, my man. My bad. I didn't mean to get you. All right. That's all right. Man, I don't know if way, but everybody just acting nice as hell. Like, it's like not even making it funny. Like, I feel bad. Like, so I instantly tell them like it's for a YouTube video, bro. Like, we probably gonna have to hit a different store, bro. Like, Walmart's not. This is a more ghetto, as you would say, a more, the more ghetto side of the city. Cause I ain't gonna lie, where I live at is like more like, you feel me, it's calm. So we wasn't really getting no good reactions, but hopefully at this Walmart we might get some good ass reactions. All right, let's see how when we in there. All right, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. Hey man, it was just a video for YouTube, man. All right, gang, man. So my motherfucking microphone ended up dying and shit. That's why my audio was like that last clip. Right now we at Louisiana about to get some food, but we gonna go back to the house and go charge the microphone and shit. Then we gonna come back out. We probably gonna go to the mall. For me, probably gonna hit the mall, but I'm gonna see y'all when we back out, y'all. All right, man. So we charged up right now. We at the mall. About to do this shit. Yo, man. So there's literally like kids in here. I don't want to get no kids because it's grown person minor thing. Like, I don't got time for all that. But if I find somebody, I'm gonna get them. But it's like slim as hell in here. We might have to go to another mall or something, or just go back to the grocery store or something. 'Cause literally, it's nothing but kids. It's Saturday. It's the mall. All the kids are here, bro. But yeah, like I said, if I find somebody, I'm gonna get them real fast. But the chances are slim. Very. Did I get you, my boy? Hey, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. Hey, man. That dude literally wanted to punch me. I ain't gonna lie. He like sized me up, but then he like chose twice. But we about to go to DD's, man. We about to go to DD's, see if we can catch some victims. Man, I do not know why the audio is sounding like that, bro. But man, we still gonna keep it in. But man, I'm sorry for the audio problem, y'all. But I don't know what the fuck is going on. I don't know if I need a new microphone, a new disguisable microphone, because it's like if I have it right here, there's like obvious motherfucker gonna see, and then when I have it in my jacket, you guys can't really, hear what they saying. You feel me? So basically, you just gonna have to get their reaction, man. I'm sorry for the audio problem, but stick with me, JLM gang. Hey y'all, man. I wish I would have got that footage, man. Literally, I asked somebody, "What do you think would happen if I fake sneeze prank on a police officer?" This guy gonna tell me, "Yeah, go do it. See what happened." Man, what the fuck do you mean? I'm not gonna do that. Like, motherfuckers just want you to get into some bullshit. Like, and his girl sitting there like, don't do it. Like, hey, that's crazy, bro. He wants to see me go to jail. I would never do that. Ooh. Excuse me, buddy. I chew, I chew, I chew, 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 I chew, I chew, I chew, chew, chew. Hey, nah, we back at Walmart. We about to get some more victims because I don't know. I don't feel like my video long enough for me. I got a good amount of people, but just like the reactions were so fast and just be my prank just because I mean how I approach. You feel me? Like buff and all that, and everybody just scared. You see, I got a black dude. I thought a black dude was gonna throw them things, but nah. So we about to get up in here. Come on.
I put diamonds all on my wrist. Ay, I put diamonds all on.
Nobody. So um, that's not the end of the video. We're probably gonna come back tomorrow. No, I ain't gonna do that. I can't find nobody, bruh. I don't want to mess. I'm not the type of person that will mess with like somebody when they got their kids or their wife with them. Like that's mean. I wouldn't do that. So I gotta find somebody by themselves. Like I thought we had a victim, but I'm gonna be out here tomorrow, man. I'm not gonna waste no more time. I'm not gonna force nothing. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, man. All right. What the fuck? Throw some on my leg. The hell? Somebody's watching me. Somebody. Did I get you, my man? I got you? That was an accident, buddy. My bad. Allergy season, you know? Did I get you, my boy? I did it? No. It was just a water prank. I didn't even get him. You know I find like some itching cream? Itching cream? Yeah. Let's see. We might have some at the pharmacy. I've been itching really bad. I don't know if it's crabs or something. Ah, fuck. Appreciate you, my man. Appreciate you. Yeah, man, I had got with this one lady a few weeks ago, and ever since then, I've been just growing bumps down there, you know? Ah. Let's see. Oh, fuck. You ever had that problem? Yeah, I had that before.
What did he say?
Let's see. It should be like here somewhere. Moisturize. I think this is where they keep all the itchy stuff, right here. All right, man. I'll find it. I appreciate you, man. I use this cream called Aveeno. Have you heard of Aveeno? Thank you. Yeah, I heard of Aveeno before. Yeah? Yeah. And there's more over here. All right. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bro, I was scratching on my balls the whole time and he still shook my hand, bro. I know he was probably like disgusted after that.